The Lists feature in MyPlaceForParts simplifies ordering items you buy on a regular basis. An unlimited number of custom lists can be created and reused whenever you need to quickly order items, such as shop supplies or parts for routine maintenance on your fleet vehicles. To create a new list, you simply click on the Add button, type a name for the list in the name box, and click the Save button. Once your list is created, you can add items to it in 3 different ways. The first method is to simply type in the line code, part number, and quantity for each item in your list. Clicking the Validate button will search the locations available to you for matches and automatically populate the comment field. The second way to add items to a list is to click on the blue Add to List button in the parts display. You can then select the list to which you want to add the item. The third way to add items to a list is to use the Import feature. Use this feature when you have a list of items in a spreadsheet, such as Microsoft Excel or any other program that can create a comma-delimited text file. To create a file for import in Excel, you must have the line codes in column A, part numbers in column B, and a quantity in column C. If you want to import your own comment, place it in column D. Be aware that clicking the Validate button in MyPlaceForParts will replace any custom comment for the items. Once the file is created, choose File, Save As, and change the type to CSV. This screen may vary slightly depending on your version of Excel. In MyPlaceForParts, browse to find your CSV file and then click Import. The items from the Excel file will be imported to the new list. If you have multiple usernames for your location, any list you create will be available to all users within your location unless you mark the list as private. You can enter a note about each list in the note box. Be aware that this note is for your use only. Its contents will not be sent to the store with any orders that you place. An item can be removed from a list by selecting the checkbox in front of the item and clicking the Remove button. To order items from the list, select the items you want to order. Clicking the box above the list will select the entire list. Once the items are selected, click the Go button. The parts display box will display price and availability and give you the opportunity to change quantity. Clicking on the green plus sign will add the entire list to your cart where the items are ready for checkout. If you maintain an inventory of parts, you can create a special stock list that contains parts typically in stock. A stock list can be created just like any other list, but must be named exactly as shown in this example. With a hyphen, the word stock, followed by a hyphen. When any of these parts are displayed in the parts display screen, they are shown with a blue outline around the quantity box. This gives a visual indication that the part may be already on your shelf, and you may not need to wait for delivery of that part.